G'day guys, today we're taking a look at the all-new Forte SR22 Club, Series 2 from MDC. Now this is the top-end model in the new SR Series 2 range, and honestly, if you're someone who wants to travel properly, not just get away for a weekend, but actually live on the road for weeks or months at a time, this thing is built just for that. It's part of MDC's completely re-engineered Series 2 lineup, and it's not just a facelift. This is a proper step up in how these vans are designed, how they feel inside, and how usable they are when you're actually out there traveling. And like the rest of the range, everything you're about to see comes standard. There's no option lists, no add-ons, no surprises. What you see here is exactly how it comes from the showroom floor and how it's delivered. Now let's go get inside and check it out. As soon as you step inside, you get a pretty good sense of what this van is about. It just feels open. There's space to move, there's a proper flow from front to the back, and it doesn't feel like you're squeezing into a Caravan. It actually feels like a small apartment on wheels. And that's the big thing with the SR22 Club. It's not just somewhere to sleep, it's somewhere you can actually live in comfortably. Up the front, you've got a queen-sized island bed, which if you've ever traveled in a van without one, you'll appreciate this straight away. You can walk around both sides, you're not climbing over each other in the middle of the night, and it just feels like a proper bedroom setup. When you're doing longer trips, that small convenience adds up fast. It's one of those things that just makes day-to-day life easier. There's also plenty of storage around the bed, so if you're not living out of bags, everything has its place. You'll notice too that the lighting throughout the whole van has been modernised. Gone are the ugly downlights, and instead we've got LED mood lighting throughout, giving that cozy, at-home feeling. Moving through into the kitchen, this is where the layout in the SR22 Club really starts to shine. One of the big changes from the original range is the relocation of the washing machine. It's now positioned in the ensuite, which opens up the kitchen space, and you can really feel the difference. You've got more bench space, better flow, and it just makes cooking and moving around in here a lot easier. For cooking appliances, you've got the Thetford XXX cooker with an oven, so you can cook proper meals, not just basic stuff, and not rely on truck stop takeout either. There's also the NCE 23 litre flatbed microwave for quick meals or movie night popcorn. And then finally, you've got the Dometic 200 litre fridge. That's a size upgrade of 25 litres compared to the Series 1. And honestly, it's one of those features that changes how you will travel. You can stock up properly with more. You're not constantly thinking about your next shop, and you've just got that freedom to stay put longer and enjoy where you are instead of needing to move on or duck out to the shops every 2 days. Now this here is the heart of the van, the rear club lounge, and this is where the SR22 Club really separates itself from everything else in the range. This isn't just a seating area, this is a proper living space. You can stretch out, you can have a couple of people over, you can sit here at night with a drink and actually relax. It feels like a lounge room big enough to invite half the Caravan park to. And the best part is not just fixed seating, it also converts into a bed designed as a single additional sleeping space, so it's perfect for one extra person when you need it. This whole space is what makes the van feel premium. It's designed for how you actually spend your time in it, not just where you're sleeping. We skipped over it earlier, but let's take a closer look at the middle of the van, where you've got your full internal ensuite bathroom. Separate shower and toilet, which again, if you've done any travelling before, you'll know how amazing that is. The shower itself is the size of a residential shower cubicle, which is an amazing luxury addition for a caravan space. You've got proper space and proper privacy. It just makes life easier, especially when you're out on longer trips. One of the big changes from the original range is the relocation of the washing machine. It's now positioned behind me in the ensuite, which opens up the kitchen space and you can really feel the difference. You've got more bench space, better flow, and it just makes cooking and moving around in there a lot easier. And the washing machine itself is a massive win for long trips. Being able to do your laundry in your own van without having to trek through the caravan park with your basket just to wait 3 hours for a machine to be ready, that's what true convenience feels like. The whole interior has been completely refreshed for Series 2. You've got the matte white and sage green cabinetry, oak bench tops, and these warm neutral tones throughout. Not to mention the new LED mood lighting. It doesn't feel like a typical caravan, it feels calm, modern, and just a nice place to spend time. For true climate control, you've got the Dometic FreshJet air conditioner, which is perfect when you're plugged into power and want to keep the van cool and comfortable no matter how hot it gets. But when you're off grid, you've still got plenty of options. You can open up the double acrylic glazed windows, they're abundant throughout, keep the fly screens down to stop the bugs getting in, and let that natural airflow come through the van. Then with multiple Caravan Sirocco fans running, you get really good air movement throughout the space without needing to rely on the aircon. So whether you're on a powered site or set up somewhere remote, you've got the flexibility to stay comfortable either way. Now this is one of the biggest upgrades across the Series 2 range, the electrical system. The SR22 Club is built around the Projector IntelliGrid Gen 3 setup, giving you 300 amp hours of lithium battery capacity and 525 watts of rooftop solar, combining your AC charger, DC-DC charger and solar controller to an all-in-one integrated setup. And what that really means for you is freedom. You've also got a 1600 watt inverter, so you can run your everyday 240 volt appliances even when you're not plugged into mains power. Control is handled through the Projector 7-inch display, but more importantly, you can monitor and manage everything through your smartphone as well. So whether you're sitting around the campfire or relaxing outside, you can check your battery levels, see how much solar you're bringing in, and manage your water levels and power usage in real time. That visibility means no more guesswork. You know exactly where you stand with your power consumption, which makes off-grid travel a lot more stress-free and accessible for more people. You can also expand your solar setup with up to 600 watts of regulated solar power connecting through the external Anderson plug input, giving you even more flexibility when you're set up for longer stays. So if you're staying somewhere longer term, you've got that flexibility to keep everything running efficiently. Up the front of the van, you've got the fully enclosed gas bottle compartment, something that's been introduced across the Series 2 range. It keeps the two 9 kilo gas bottles protected, cleaner, and better integrated into the design of the van. It's a much better aesthetic look and feel. Underneath, the SR22 Club is built on our tried and tested hot dipped galvanised chassis, with aluminium composite panelling throughout the body so it won't rot and decompose. So you've got a strong, durable, structured design for long-term touring in Australian conditions. It's built to handle the kilometres. And the big thing here is, this isn't just theory, it's based on real-world experiences. If you've seen our Off-Grid Down Under episodes on YouTube, you'll know we push our products to the limit in some of the harshest conditions Australia has to offer. Everything we've learned from that testing feeds back into how we design and build every van in the range, even our on-road models like the SR22 Club. "22 foot might sound like a big caravan, but when it comes to how this thing actually tows, there's a lot going on. You've got independent coil spring suspension with dual shock absorbers, riding on a tandem axle setup. You've got 16-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tyres and 12-inch electric brakes. So straight away, you've got a setup that's designed for stability, comfort, and control on the road. But the big one here is the Tucson electronic stability control, which now comes standard across the Series 2 range. It was previously only included on our off-road models. This system is constantly monitoring the van over 200 times a second, and if it detects sway, it can automatically apply the electric brakes asymmetrically, which means independent to each wheel, to bring everything back under control. And that is a huge deal, because it's not just about comfort, it's about confidence. Especially on highways, in wind, or when conditions change, knowing the van is actively helping you stay stable makes a massive difference to the safety and comfort of the occupants in the vehicle. In terms of numbers, you're sitting at around 2,880 kilograms tear weight and 3,500 kilos ATM, so you've still got a solid payload to work with. The SR22 Club also includes the ARC X0750 jockey wheel, which just makes hitching and manoeuvring a lot easier in a bigger van like this. And the wireless rear view camera is a game changer when you're reversing. If you've ever tried to back a van into a tight caravan park or campsite, you'll know how valuable eyes in the back of the van can be. It just takes a lot of the guesswork and stress out of it, probably saves a lot of marriages, and may save you from actually backing into something you couldn't see. On the outside, your setup is simple and practical. You've got the huge roll-out awning for shade and a drop-down servery table, which is perfect for cooking, drinks, or just extending your space outside. Water capacity is also well sorted for longer trips, with dual 80-litre freshwater tanks, so 160 litres of fresh water, plus an 80-litre grey water tank. So again, that ties back to freedom, being able to stay off-grid longer without needing to constantly move. Like the rest of the Series 2 range, the SR22 Club is backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, along with a 5-year chassis and drawbar warranty. That's supported by MDC's nationwide service network, giving you peace of mind that help is never too far away, no matter where your travels take you around the country. At the end of the day, what the SR22 Club Series 2 really comes down to is how it makes you feel about travelling, about escaping the day-to-day. It's more comfortable, it's more capable, and it just gives you more freedom to travel the way you actually want to. You've got the space to relax, the systems to stay longer, and the layout to genuinely enjoy living in it, not just pass through. And that's the difference with this van. If you'd like to find out more about the SR22 Club Series 2 Caravan, head to marketdirect.com.au. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more walkthroughs, adventure videos, tutorials, podcasts, and plenty more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.